Hey Sumolings, it's Jay with AppSumo, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today we're taking a look at OneTake AI, a video editing tool that uses AI to transform raw footage into polished presentations in a single click. Imagine if you could record amazing, error-free video content on the first take every single time. No more reshoots, no more editing out every and ah. All you gotta do is press a magic button and get the perfect video every time. Sounds like something I just made up, right? Well, it's real, and it's called OneTake AI. Let's start by creating a video from scratch. First, pick a video style, horizontal like YouTube or vertical like TikTok. Then choose a color palette that fits your brand. Name your project, upload your video, and then drum roll please, hit the all-powerful magic button. Boom, just like that, this AI turns your raw take into flawless professional content. In the time it takes you to watch a TikTok, OneTake AI removes awkward silences, adds subtitles and transitions, and fine-tunes the audio with perfect studio quality sound. Is your mind already blown? Then click that Buy Now button to grab this lifetime deal on OneTake AI. Still here? Cool, we got more to cover. Now that your video's looking awesome, it's time to share it. You can copy a link, embed the video player on your website, or export it as an MP4 to share on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or wherever. Oh, and OneTake AI automatically translates your video, dubs it with your voice, and even syncs your lip movements to match the language. That's what the Spanish would call muy bueno. But what about those moments when you're not sure what to even say? OneTake Chat's got your back. Just share a bit about yourself, your business, or your video topic and watch it churn out the perfect video script, Facebook ad, or whatever else you need. And this isn't just cookie cutter content, it's tailor-made just for you. Video content is king, so it's time to stop dreading that record button. Hit buy now to snag this lifetime deal on OneTake AI while you still can.